Hey everybody, Jerry Niesman of the Niesman Team with Keller Williams Realty here for another episode of the Niesman Team Tours. Today we are here at Entrada, which is a D.R. Horton community here right on the edge of Northeast Cape Coral and North Fort Myers, Florida. It is technically in Cape Coral, just right on the edge, right off of 41 and the Del Prado extension. And we're looking today here at D.R. Horton's Clifton Model Home. It is the D.R. Horton series of homes, which is their mid-range series. The Express series is a little more entry-level, comes with kind of everything standard with very few choices, just a couple of package options in terms of colors and things like that, where the D.R. Horton series has a little bit more ability to personalize the home. So you'll see as we go through the home that there's a number of things that are optional and upgraded in the home that you'll have the ability to choose from if you decide to go this route. This home is just over 1,800 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a 2-car garage. And that third bedroom does have the ability to be made into a den if you don't need a true third bedroom, or you can just have it as like an open flex space if you'd like as well. So there's a lot of flexibility even in making some of the customization of the floor plans. Obviously the model homes they use kind of as storage, as you see here in the garage, some extra appliances and things like that. But great home. Very nice wide open concept. Lots of space, sliding glass doors out to the lanai. It does come with the screened lanai. And plenty of room as well for a pool here on this home site and pretty much all of the home sites here in the community if you want to add a pool, but there's also a fantastic community pool and great amenities. So if this is something that interests you, feel free to reach out. If not, there are a number of other floor plans available in both the D.R. Horton series and the Express series of homes here at Entrada. This Clifton model will start at $292, and then you'd add a home site premium and any other options and upgrades that you want to add there. And here in the community, the homes start from $252 and range from almost 1,700 square foot up to just about 2,800 square feet. So lots of range and flexibility here in this community in terms of pricing and size of homes. So again, if this is something that interests you, feel free to reach out and let me know. They do build this home in a number of different communities around Southwest Florida, so if you like this plan but maybe not this community, let me know that. I'll be happy to get you information and pricing on what this home would cost in some of the other communities in the area. And if you like this community but not necessarily this floor plan, let me know that as well, and we can get you some information on the other plans available here in Entrada. Feel free to reach out with any questions or comments. Here you've got us on YouTube at the Niesman Team, Jerry Niesman on Facebook or Instagram. You can call or text me at 239-201-9583 or email me at jerryniesman@gmail.com or check us out on our website at realpeople-realestate.com. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Have a great day. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on future videos as we post them.